For 21 years, Mammoth Heritage Rover MH-4 remained silent beside the old stone route. Rust covered its original colors, its panoramic windows were broken, and all four giant tires had weakened with age. Dr. Amara Vale came not to erase its history, but to understand it. Before any repair could begin, she carefully mapped the protected ground around the forgotten machine. Beneath the corrosion, she saw more than an abandoned rover. She saw a path that could open history to everyone again. Amara's team began by listening to what the silent machine could reveal. They found a cracked steering guide ring, a 13-centimeter height loss on the right side, and a lowered support beneath the left tusk. Hardened lubricant had locked the trunk's 3 joints, while 2 wheel hubs showed uneven internal wear. The panoramic glass was badly damaged, but the main frame remained strong. MH-4 would require careful work, yet the inspection confirmed something important. The forgotten Mammoth could still be saved. The historic stone route could not carry heavy recovery equipment, so Amara's team designed another solution. They built a reversible access deck on protected ground using removable panels, broad base plates, and mechanical connections. Nothing was drilled into the site, and every ancient surface remained untouched. All 4 wheels of MH-4 were secured with 8 chocks while the new route passed a careful load test. The Mammoth had not moved yet, but for the first time in 21 years, a safe path waited in front of it. With the reversible path ready, the team prepared MH-4 for its most careful journey. 4 mechanical carriages were placed beneath its giant wheels, while a padded cradle protected the old trunk. The engine remained silent. Linked screw drives moved the Mammoth only a few centimeters at a time, stopping at every physical reference point for inspection. Slowly, the abandoned rover crossed the temporary deck without touching the historic stones. By sunset, MH-4 stood on firm restoration ground, the first change in its position for 21 years. On firm restoration ground, the team began uncovering MH-4's forgotten identity. Soft brushes, HEPA nozzles, and peelable conservation gel removed 21 years of dry deposits without using water or compressed air. Faded antique gold appeared on the front armor. Sandstone brown returned along the passenger body, while weathered silver emerged from the curved tusk plates. Amara chose to preserve stable rust patches and original age marks. The Mammoth was not meant to look new. Its weathered surface would continue telling the story of every year it had survived. The restoration now reached the 4 giant wheels that once carried visitors across the heritage route. Each wheel was serviced separately while the Mammoth remained securely supported. The team preserved the original metal discs, renewed 2 worn bronze bushings, and installed 4 unbranded tires with the historic tread pattern. A precisely matched guide ring restored the steering assembly, while the right side leveling system returned the body to its correct height. By evening, MH-4 stood evenly on all 4 wheels again, still weathered, but ready for the next stage. The Mammoth's face required the most delicate mechanical work. 2 padded cradles supported the curved tusk plates while the team corrected the left mount by 17 millimeters. Inside the short trunk, 21 years of hardened lubricant had locked all 3 joints. The old deposits were removed carefully, and 3 worn bushings were renewed while the original parts were preserved. A manual test confirmed that the trunk could move smoothly again. By evening, both tusks stood aligned, and MH-4's restored face had finally returned. The Mammoth's cabin had once carried visitors across the ancient landscape. Now its damaged glass and weathered interior needed careful restoration. The team secured and removed each old pane before repairing the original panoramic frame. New laminated glass returned a clear view of the heritage route. Original seat frames were preserved, while renewed cushions, handrails, and a non-slip floor improved passenger comfort. Amara also created an accessible boarding space. For the first time in 21 years, natural light filled MH-4's cabin again. Before MH-4 could return to the heritage route, every system needed a quiet and controlled test. The team renewed aged service parts and checked the power unit by hand. Low-power service brought soft light back to the cabin controls, while the entrance and boarding ramp moved smoothly. The main engine then reached a steady low idle with all 4 wheels secured. After the steering and brakes responded correctly, Amara guided the Mammoth forward for only 6 meters. The test ended calmly, proving that MH-4 could move under its own power again. After 21 silent years, Mammoth Heritage Rover MH-4 returned to its original purpose. 4 visitors entered the restored panoramic cabin, including one guest using the new accessible boarding space. Amara guided the Mammoth slowly along a reinforced route that remained safely separated from the ancient stones. Its 4 giant wheels carried the journey forward, while the restored trunk and tusks preserved its historic identity. MH-4 was not made perfect or new. It returned with its scars, its memories, and a new promise to make history accessible without harming the past.